Hey everyone, my name is Deepak Kumar. So now in this video we are going to simplify this equation. So pause the video and try this question first. Alright, hopefully you guys pause the video and try this. So now what we're going to do in this one, we are just gonna multiply all the terms with that. So it gives me square root of n squared plus n times n squared plus 5 no yeah 5n plus 6 plus 1. So when I multiply this with that, I get square root of n power 4 plus 5n cubed plus 6n squared plus n cubed plus 5n squared plus 6n plus 1. So when I just take the terms, n power 4 plus 5n cubed, and here's a 5n cubed too, so that's 6n cubed plus 5n squared, that's 11n squared, then plus 6n plus 1. Alright, so when I just square a quadratic equation, I get, well, ax squared plus bx plus c, and I square it, I get a squared x power 4 plus b squared x squared plus c squared plus it's 2ab x cubed, and then plus 2bxc plus 2cax squared. So, well, actually I want a quadratic equation so that I could just, when this one is a perfect square, well, I could just cancel the square and the root. So I'm just gonna take this whole equation equals this. So a squared x power 4 plus b squared x squared plus c squared plus 2ab x cubed plus 2bxc plus 2cax squared, that is equal to n to the power 4 plus 6n cubed plus 11n squared plus 6n plus 1. So as you can see, that c has to be a constant, because in a quadratic equation, all the third terms without any x, well, it's got to be a constant. So c squared is a constant, so we could write that c squared equals 1 and c equals 1. Well, 1 is right here, so we got our first c. Now what we're going to do for the a is x power 4 and n power 4, they're the same. So a squared x power 4 equals n power 4. Well, there's only 1 here, so a squared equals 1 and a equals 1 too. Now for the b value, now there's x squared, well, here's x squared too, but as you could see in this one, well, we have always 1 2 3 4 5 6, but here 1 2 3 4 5, so you've got to separate a term into 2, so it's got to be this, because there's an x squared here too. So 11n squared equals b squared x squared plus 2ca x squared. If I take x squared common, 11n squared equals x squared and b squared plus 2ca. So ca is 1 times 1, so 1 times 1 is 1. 11n squared, well, let's just take that n squared, because that's an n equals. So 11 equals b squared plus 2 and b squared equals, well, if I transported that, it becomes minus, so that's 9. So 9, b equals 3. So we got an other one. So now I just got to substitute all the values, so I'll just rub the board. Alright, so c equals 1, a equals 1, b equals 3. So ax squared plus bx plus c, so a equals 1, that's x squared, plus b is 3, 3x plus 1. So this is our answer.